Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 6034. This ran from 04 2012 to 09 2016. It has a FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.